Hello students, welcome to today's lecture of Matplotlib. Before proceeding with today's lecture, import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. This one is the basic requirement. Figure dot comma array is equal to PLT dot subplots. Suppose I am writing 3 comma 3, then execute the program. You can design 3 into 3 block comprised of different locations. This location is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Similarly, other locations 1, 0, 1, 1 and 2, 1. Similarly, 2, 0, 2, 1 and 2, 2. These are the 9 locations. Suppose I have to display only 2 or 3 locations out of this. Then what to do? Convert this content into comments. To design only the few blocks, we have to use subplot grid. Suppose first one is array 1 PLT dot subplot to grid. Suppose 3 into 3 content is there, and out of 3 into 3, suppose I have to design only the first one, 0, 0. You can display only the first block. Let's copy this one and paste. Second and third. Suppose I am writing here 1, 1 and 2, 2. In this way, you can display only the diagonal elements or diagonal blocks 0, 0, 1, 1 and 2, 2 location. Suppose I have to design some graphs inside this. Then what to do? To enter the value from user side, we have to write import numpy as np. This one is required, and the initializing value np dot range. Suppose the values are from -10 to 10 or -10 to 11, so that we can print the value from -10 to 10. Then ar1 dot plot x comma x star x star x. Let the color is green followed by circles. Let's execute this one. You can print one graph. If I am writing -5 to 6, you can print some lesser values. If I am writing x square, you can print the graph accordingly. This one is upward parabola, and you can write here ar1 dot set underscore title upward parabola, and you can write upward parabola here. This one is there. Similarly, I can design other contents. Suppose I am writing here y is equal to 7x plus 11, that the color is blue. This one is a straight line. That the third one is cubic graph, that the color is red. And the second part is AR2. This one is 3. Let's execute the program. These are the contents. First one is upward parabola, second is straight line, and third one is cubic. Suppose I have to change the location. If I am writing 0, 1 here, then execute the program. You can change the location here. If I am writing 2, 1, you can again change the location. Whatever the location needed by you, you can indicate that particular graph at that particular location. I am going to repeat again. This one is the content where you can display all the subplots, all the sub basics. Like this one, you can display the content like this. But if I am changing the code, I can print the subplots according to the desired location. If I am writing 3 into 3, it means the locations are from 0 to 2, and this one is also from 0 to 2. First one indicates row and second one indicates column. And whatever the graph required by you, you can use AR1, AR2 or different variables as set by you. And you can give the title also. You can indicate about x-axis and y-axis also as per required by you. Suppose I am writing here AR1 dot x set x label. Suppose I am writing here x-axis. I can set x-axis and y-axis accordingly. Let's copy this one and paste here. You can change into y label and you can print y-axis here. You can copy this one and paste here, and you can change the value from AR1 to AR2. Similarly, you can paste the values here and you can set AR3 and you can execute the program. Look at this one. You can write x-axis and y-axis and also the label. You can change the color also. You can design the content accordingly. You can put circles, you can put squares. Accordingly, you can change the values. Hope you are enjoying the content. Thanks for watching my video.